Hello everyone, my name is Kevin DeVargas. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to hire your kids legally. Did you know that you can take a deduction up to $12,900 per child per year by hiring your child to work inside your business? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to hire your kids the right way and keeping your money inside your business. Before we start, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos and tips on how to save money on taxes. Step one is a simple step but overlooked, is give your child a job description. And the job description should be age appropriate. You can't have a 10-year-old labeled as mechanic, for example. A 10-year-old might be office maintenance or administrative. Similar to when you do payroll, everyone has a job title. We want to make it very formal and in alignment with their task. My youngest daughter is an administrative assistant. My oldest son, who's 13, he helps edit videos and with technology. And my other son helps me maintain and upkeep the office. The second step is to register yourself as an employer. That means registering with the Department of Labor, with your state, and getting all the documents ready for payroll. There are third-party providers that can help you with this. I left a link below of some companies that I've used before. Step 3, make sure that the jobs and the salary are appropriate. For example, taking out the garbage might not be $300 and it only takes 30 minutes to take out the garbage. It was like that, I would become a garbage man, right? Just take out the garbage for 30 minutes and get paid $300. You want it to be age appropriate and task appropriate, the payment. I've seen individuals get audited where they'll just do one payment per year for one task and that's it, one and done. That's a big red flag. Avoid that. Have a schedule the same way you would a regular employee. What they do, the task, like a timesheet would help. Step 4, make sure the money goes to the kids. What do I mean by that? For example, you might naturally just put in their pocket, here's money, put in your piggy bank. No. You need to open up an account, a custodial account, and you can have direct deposit into their account the same way you would do as an adult. It's important that it's documented that it went from your business to their account. Let's say I have 2 kids and now I'm deducting $24,000, but the $24,000 stay in my account. That's a red flag. So you want to transfer the funds into your child's account. Step number 5. Make sure you withhold all the appropriate taxes if applicable. If their ages from 1 through 17, you don't have to withhold Social Security or Medicare. If your child is 18 and older, you would have to withdraw Social Security and Medicare. Again, for this task, if you don't understand it, if it's too much, I always recommend using a third-party provider. You might not understand payroll and all the implications of it and lots of details that might be state specific to you as well. Take into consideration a third party that might be able to assist you with this. Step number 6. Keep excellent records of how much you're paying your child and what you're paying them for. As we mentioned with the other step, one thing that I do, I like to use a template, just copy and paste every month of what they've done. And also payroll going into their separate account. It helps solidify the legitimacy of your child's employment. The IRS loves documentations. A lot of individuals will watch a reel on Instagram or on TikTok, just cut a check, get audited, then I'll get that phone call to help them because once you're audited, you have to pay that money back and fines and penalties. Sometimes the fines and penalties can be just as much, if not more, than what you thought you were going to save. Step number 7. Now that you're paying your minor children a salary, you're going to have to file their tax. Now, yes, you're not paying income tax on that amount, but not paying taxes and not filing are 2 separate things. Your kids are going to need to file their own return. And one more note, when putting your kids on payroll, they have to be your kids. Can't be your niece, your nephew, your cousin. You have to use your kids. In order for this to work appropriately, they need to be your kids. All right, thank you for staying to the end. I told you if you stay to the end, I will give you some extra tips and how it works in real life. My kids like to be paid in cash. They don't want to wait. I'm not paying my 8-year-old $12,000 or $9,000 in cash per year. So what I'll do is have her do the task that she needs to do and I'll give her $20 or $10 and she'll be happy for the rest of the day. Let's say she wants to buy a bike. I will pay her for her work and then I'll have her buy her own bike. Now what happens here, when you have your kids earn their toys or whatever they want to do with their money, they'll appreciate it much more. So if I were to just buy my son a bike versus him purchasing his own bike after he worked for that, you'd be surprised on how your kids take care of those items that they worked for versus the items that they were given. I like this quote from Bruce Lee: "Don't buy your children the things that you did not have as a child, but show them the things that you did not know. Clothing and material things will deteriorate, but wisdom will last a lifetime." So let's make sure that it's not just giving them money, that we're showing them life experiences, showing them how business works, teaching them to be excellent. Before they can be owners, they might have to be an employee, teaching them all the ins and outs. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please remember to hit the like and the subscribe button below. Also, feel free to add in the comment what ideas have you come up with. And also let me know if you have any questions or if there are any other videos that you would like me to post. Thank you and have a great day.